Mum's not here, although I use my Mum and Stan intro, I'm just having my dinner, but I don't want any more. The reason why it's a Mum and Stan video, because my mum is actually coming soon, and guess what? Freddie's not going to be alone. I actually have some footage of Mum sending me some videos on WhatsApp. So let's go have a quick look at them.
Hello, Foxy. Shall I get you open so Stanley can see you? It's a bit stuck. Okay. Here we are. Where is it? Let's get you out of there. Ta-da! Foxy! Ta-da-da-da! Big Foxy! Hello, Foxy! Hello, Stanley! Hello, Stanley! I can't wait to see you! I can't wait to see you! Mwah! I've got floppy ears, I've got floppy ears. I've got floppy ears.
Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy my other videos and enjoy my previous videos. I confused you up. To view them all, go on TV or computer and watch on YouTube there. Because mobile won't show my latest videos. So bye, guys.